Hi guys, welcome to Paul Explains Income Protection. Okay, so income protection is a key area in protecting ourselves and our families financially, but it's not used anywhere near as much as it should be. And I think I know why. People just aren't aware that income protection exists, they're not sure how it works, or they think it might cost too much. That's a real shame because income protection is a brilliant benefit, it's not difficult to understand and doesn't cost the earth. So what is income protection? Income protection, if I had to boil it down, is an insurance policy that continues to pay you a salary after your sick pay ends. It's brilliant, and I can hear you saying, Paul, where do I sign up? Well, I'll let you know at the end of the video. Okay, so let's have a look at income protection in a little bit more detail. So let's say that you have a job that affords you a 3-month sick pay. What does that mean? Well, if you're off work for longer than 3 months, your company stops paying your salary. What happens then? For most people, it means they become reliant on state benefits or borrowing money from family and friends, which isn't ideal. But also, how could you maintain a lifestyle if you're only being paid £90 a week statutory sick pay or borrowing money to cover your bills and outgoings? For most of us, we wouldn't last very long, and people end up getting into debt and financial crisis. You may have savings, you could use those to cover your salary. How long would they last for without an income coming in? Now look at the exact same scenario. You've got 3 months sick pay and you're off for a longer period of time than that, but this time you have an income protection policy in place. Instead of borrowing money from family and friends and using your savings, you now have a regular monthly income coming in until you go back to work. I know which one I prefer. Okay. So unlike critical illness, which we talked about in the last video, income protection covers all kinds of illness and injuries and will pay out as long as you're off work for longer than your sick pay and you can't do your own job. That's particularly useful for things like bad back, anxiety, stress and depression, which keep people off work potentially long term, but aren't covered by critical illness plans. Now you can cover yourself for as long as you'd like to, it's completely down to you. So you can have what's called a budget plan, very inexpensive, pays out for 2 years after your sick pay ends. Or you can have a full term policy where you stipulate your retirement date and the policy will pay out all the way until that date if you're off sick. So if you think about potentially having a real nasty illness or injury that's going to keep you off work for years or maybe even your full career, it means that you've got a regular income coming in each and every month, which is a real peace of mind. So what are the downsides of income protection? There's not many really. I think that the biggest one is that you can only actually cover yourself for 60% of your salary. There's a reason behind that, and that's to stop people abusing the system. And of course, you have to pay for it. Income protection is a really, really great benefit, something that more and more people should have. Like with all financial services products, different companies offer different levels of benefits and products. A lot of different plans out there, so either do your homework and do your research and get to know the products really, really well. Speak to an advisor who's fully in the know, or perhaps drop me an email, give me a call, and I'd be happy to help you find what you're looking for. Please watch out for my next video. That's going to be how life insurance, critical illness and income protection all work together to set up a fantastic protection portfolio for you guys. Okay, as usual, please like, subscribe and share. This was Paul Explains, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.